Now you start from the manual. After, let me see where we are. Okay? It means that all these we have done here. Are you getting that? So we move. I'll show you what you do when matching. Very easy. Mine, these are wash. So, come on, stand somewhere. Okay? Where is your camshaft? Camshaft EV. So this arrow should be away from the camshaft on this engine. But basically, you need also to read what is in the manual. I'm telling you like that because I know this engine. So, but you need also to read the manual. Very, very important. Go have it. Okay. Okay. We are almost done. We are less than an hour. Okay. Okay. Remember, let's see what we'll do next. Watch there. Is there ITC mark? Is there? Is there?
Yes.
Now check, the gears will still not be there. They are not there. So you take a number of revolutions. Which is your fuel pump? Which is your crankshaft?